Sobrang ganda ng meeting namin mga Zoobs. Ito ay potential business namin ni Andy. Good morning mga Zoobs! Welcome back sa aming channel. At kung hindi pa namin kayo subscriber, syempre welcome na welcome po kayong mag-like and subscribe sa amin para po mapanood ninyo ang mga videos na ginagawa namin. Meron kaming daily vlog, meron kaming reels, meron kaming mga pictures na ina-upload everyday at marami po yan. So syempre salamat na rin po sa pagsuporta kung kayo po ay magdedesisyon na kami ay i-follow. For today's video mga Zoobs, driving kami sa kotse papuntang Juan Ayala, Makati.
Continue straight onto Epifanio.
Ayun, sabi nga ni Google Maps. Naulan, medyo mababa ang madaloy, maiksi ang daloy ng trapiko. Parang ganun. Mabagal pala.
English na lang.
Medyo traffic in short. Pero kasi naulan. Etong oras na to dapat hindi na traffic kasi alas 12 na eh. Meron kaming meeting kaninang umaga. Sobrang ganda ng meeting namin mga Zoobs. Ito ay potential business namin ni Andy. Tapos ngayon papunta na kami sa meeting ulit. Magpo-pull out kami sa Skechers. Hindi lang ng sapatos ha, ng mga clothes. Nagagamitin syempre natin sa ating pickleball, sa ating hobby na talaga namang nakikita namin na nagiging maganda yung influence sa amin kasi everyday kaming pinagpapawisan. Importante yan. Everyday
talaga.
As in, literal.
Yung pinaka-stress namin is which court are we playing?
Oo, kung saan kami maglalaro. Tapos, ano pa ba? Etong, ano pang gagawin natin dito? Hindi tayo nag-book ng court, no? Kasi nga, medyo malayo.
Actually, we probably could have, but we wanted to get back kasi we have the courts booked already sa Suburbia. So, yun. But next time we will try kasi sabi nila, maganda dito sa Juan Ayala. May dalawang sets of courts. Meron sa baba, meron sa taas. Pero parang air-condition. So, we like sort of more the fresh air na puro pawis.
Yes. Mas maganda rin kasi yung ganon. Mas mabuti sa katawan. So, ayan. Makita ko sa inyo yung daan natin. Papunta tayong Makati. Ayan siya. Medyo mabagal. Pero malapit tayo. Sabi ni Google Maps, 6 minutes.
Very rare Makati, guys. Very, very rare. There has to be a reason.
And this is an important reason.
Yeah. We're excited actually kasi we've been obviously using our Skechers shoes, so now we want to use Skechers clothes. So yeah, exciting.
So ayan, update namin kayo syempre pagdating namin doon at kung ano yung mga makukuha natin for today. At syempre kung saan tayo maglalaro mamaya ng pickleball.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. Stop, stop, stop. Just can't stop thinking about you.
nakuha ko kanina sa Skechers.
I'm wearing everything.
Si Andy suot na lahat in one
Head to toe.
day. My gosh.
It's my first head to toe Skechers
Outfit.
day. Socks, shoes, shorts, hat, shirt.
Yeah. So, ayan. On the way kami sa Suburbia. Buti na lang covered court kami ngayon kasi umuulan. Ambon pa lang naman siya. Hopefully, hindi na masyadong lumakas to. Pero ito kasi yung ulan na parang hindi tumitigil. Yung ambon na yan. Kaya, ayun. Ang kasama namin today, si Ines. Tapos may kasama siyang isa. Tapos si Len sa likod. Kaya, ayun. 6 to 10 ng ano. 6 o'clock na.
Finish packing.
Nag-start na kaming mag-impake kasi bukas mga Zoobs, lilipat tayo papuntang Samar dahil meron akong show doon. Makikifiesta tayo at kakanta ko ng mga kanta. Yes, kakantahin natin. Practice nga tayo mamaya. Excited ako kasi parang ang tagal ko na ulit hindi ito nagawa. May years. Ito yung parang una ko ulit na
Well, you sang that time in Caloocan, but it was just impromptu.
Ito kasi at least ready tayo, alam natin
Proper
ang
event.
proper event is. So ayun, mag-iimpake pa tayo mamaya kaya samahan niyo pa rin ako dyan. Doon nakapag-pre-pack na ako ng konti kasi alam ko na yung susuotin ko syempre. Tapos yung mga dadalin na lang ba. Isang gabi lang naman kami doon, mabilis lang. Balikan lang talaga. Sayang nga hindi natin kasama si Curty or si Bessie kasi isa lang ang na-approve na +1. Siyempre si Andy +1.
I will be in the bag carrier.
Siyang alalay.
Makeup.
Buti na lang may makeup artist doon. Kasi kung wala, magre-request talaga tayo. Meron na daw. So yun lang. We'll see. We'll see what's happening.
Alright, home from Pickleball. Got my favourite drink here from Starbucks, pomegranate. Wait, I got me chocolates at Starbucks. I got the pomegranate and grapefruit. Ay, parang mali yan. Black tea and pomegranate. Yan. Tapos, yun, chocolate ulit. Tapos, I got a Spam and cheese. And Mummy, what are you eating?
Fish.
50 grams. Fish diet.
Gutom ako.